Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Okay, these are two vases from Dollar Tree, two candles from Dollar Tree. I purchased those on Etsy and they're the 2-inch stickers and they're a vinyl sticker. And I have some little pom-poms and some ribbon and hot glue guns. Okay, and you can get whatever sayings you want, and usually if you send the seller a message, they'll kind of work with you to what you are wanting for whatever project. So I'm just placing, or actually my daughter's placing the stickers on the glass vase, and you just press them on and kind of rub and then slowly pull the paper back off. And I have another video that I'm going to share with you where we did some Christmas ornaments that turned out really cute. So I'll try to upload it this week also. Okay, and there's how it looks, jolly. And the other one is peace that she's going to put on. But I got a lot of different words like joy, merry, cheer. So I just tried to pick some Christmas words for these. And you can get whatever color vinyl that you want, white, red, black. And just don't get in a hurry when you're peeling off the paper, because if you go too fast, sometimes the letters will peel right back off. Okay, and there's the two glass vases, and we just cut a strip of red and white gingham ribbon, and my daughter is going to place it at the top of the vase, and she's just hot gluing it on. It just kind of dresses it up and makes it more festive. So these will make a beautiful centerpiece. And they're simple and inexpensive. Okay, so there it is with ribbon. And the candles come in red, green, and white. But the red ones and the green ones were going fast. So hurry if you need some to Dollar Tree. Okay, and there they are with the ribbons around them. Okay, and we also added some little pom-poms. So my daughter just stuck a little hot glue to the pom-poms and just gently placed them under the ribbon and stuck them onto the vase. And she did this skipping a little bit of space all the way around. So I thought the little pom-poms were a really cute addition to it and kind of dressed it up and made it look more like Christmas. So, like I said, these were very inexpensive to make and they look really cute on our table. So I hope you like this video and please subscribe to our channel if you have not already. Thank you.